It looks like a satay, but
It's like satay, but not satay. This is one of popular street food in Indonesia and from East Java.
Sempol.
Yes,
Sempol.
Sempol. Can you guess?
Price?
Yeah, price.
10,000.
Teman-teman, jangan lupa subscribe David Alan TV dan tekan tanda lonceng ya untuk mensupport channel ini semakin berkembang.
Halo Devsters, David Alan Sparrow, selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube saya David Alan TV. Dan sore hari ini saya sedang berada di Jalan Utama Denpasar, tepatnya di Jalan Teguh Umar. Dan konten kita kali ini akan membahas tentang sempol ayam. Dan kita ketemu sama yang jual ya. Wah, lagi sibuk kayaknya. Tapi nggak apa-apa, kita gangguin sebentar ya. Halo Mas, dengan Mas siapa namanya?
Mas Hadi, Mas.
Mas Hadi. Mas Hadi asalnya dari mana Mas?
Dari Jawa, Mas.
Dari Jawa mana?
Jawa Timur.
Udah lama jualan di sini Mas?
Baru 3 tahun, Mas.
Baru 3 tahun. Kayaknya saya lihat beberapa waktu yang lalu sempol ayam sini viral ya.
Iya, alhamdulillah.
Nah, itu kenapa bisa viral?
Orang-orang iseng sengaja
Yes.
upload aja gitu di TikTok.
Jadi udah banyak ya langganannya ya.
Ya, alhamdulillah, Mas.
Ini ngomong-ngomong sempol ayam ini bahannya dari apa aja Mas ya?
Kalau dari tepung pakai ayam aja, Mas.
Harganya berapa ya Mas ya?
1000-an, Mas, per video.
Kira-kira yang bikin orang suka.
Kurang tahu mungkin rasanya, Mas.
Dan kita ketemu sama salah satu pelanggan setia. Langsung aja kita ajak ngobrol ya. Halo, dengan siapa namanya?
Saya Wulan.
Bulan.
Iya.
Bulan kerja dekat-dekat sini?
Ya, saya kerja di sebelah sana. Kebetulan seringan beli sempol gara-gara emang enak sih.
Oh gitu. Enaknya kayak gimana sih?
Dari cita rasanya tuh kalau yang lain tuh kadang kan padat teksturnya, kalau ini mau lembut gitu. Sausnya enak sih dia.
Jadi ada testimoni dari pembelinya langsung merekomendasikan
Sempol ayam.
sempol ayam ini. Jadi kontenku itu memperkenalkan makanan Indonesia ke wisatawan asing. Kira-kira kalau misalnya sempol ayamnya aku tawarin ke para wisatawan asing, mereka suka nggak ya?
Pasti suka sih, untuk lidah-lidah orang asing pasti bakalan suka.
Oke.
Bisa dicoba mungkin.
Bulan, makasih ya.
Iya.
Silakan langsung beli ya. Aku nanya dulu sama Masnya. Mas, kira-kira kalau misalnya ini aku kasih ke wisatawan asing, bule-bule, kira-kira mereka suka nggak dengan sempol ayam?
Ya, tergantung orangnya aja, Mas. Ada yang tertarik, ada yang enggak sih. Soalnya
Oke.
kemarin banyak yang beli gitu udah.
Tapi optimis ya,
Iya.
bakal suka ya.
Iya.
Ya udah kalau gitu, Bulan, aku mau ke pantai sekarang juga mau cari wisatawan asing dan aku mau nawarin ini. Oke, sampai ketemu lagi Bulan ya. Dadah. Ayo Mas. Thank you, bye. Oke, kita udah nyampe di Pantai Berawa dan kita akan segera hunting untuk mencari para wisatawan asing yang akan mencoba sempol ayam khas Malang ini. Dan sore hari ini beruntung banget ditemenin sama dua wanita cantik.
My name is Lisa. I'm from Russia.
From Russia, you're so pretty.
Thank you so much.
My name is Anna. I'm from Russia.
Привет. Kanjila? Bagus.
Everything is under Bagus. Hi, Devsters. David Allen supporters.
Watch the video. Jangan kemana-mana, saksikan terus David Alan TV.
A few moments later.
Hello, my name's James.
James Bond.
James Bond, yes.
Or Die Hard movie, Bruce Willis.
Bruce Willis, yeah.
Or
yeah.
Jason Statham.
All the above.
Oh, you're so handsome, man.
Oh, stop it.
Where you from?
England.
England. Which
Yeah.
part of England?
Brighton on the south coast.
Brighton. Okay. And how about you? What's your name?
My name's John.
John,
Nice to
where
meet
you
you. From England as well.
From England as well.
Yep.
Okay. Your haircut is remind me with Street Fighter. Street Fighter.
Okay. Okay.
Hi, apa kabar?
Baik.
Yeah, you can answer my question. So, you are from
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
You can speak Malay, right?
Boleh sikit-sikit.
Boleh sikit-sikit. Sudah pusing-pusing di Bali?
Sudah pusing-pusing.
Sudah pusing-pusing. You know pusing mean in Indonesia?
Pusing.
Shit. And hello, what's your name?
My name's Rakesh.
Yes, I know you before.
We have met
Our last
before,
contact,
yes,
yeah.
yeah. It's been a while,
Yes,
yeah,
and you're from Nepal, right?
Exactly, the Himalayas,
Yeah.
Everest, yes.
And today, I bring you something. Do you know this before?
What is this?
It looks like a
satay.
But
It's like satay, but not satay. We call this sempol.
Okay.
It's from East Java.
And what is it?
Yeah, chicken.
It's chicken.
Also tapioca flour.
Okay.
Yeah, outside. So you can take one by one. This is spicy sauce. It's okay to
Spicy?
spicy.
No.
Not really spicy. Sedikit. Okay, come on, try.
Ya.
Yeah.
Sedikit-sedikit, ah.
Sedikit itu banyak. It's okay.
Whole thing, Jen. Take the whole thing.
Yes.
Wah, luar biasa.
Oh,
Enak sekali.
the last. You want to take the last?
It's okay for you.
For me? Okay. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's good. I like that. Yeah, it was yummy.
This is street food, you know.
Yeah.
I cannot take.
It's kind of like a chicken nugget on a satay almost. But yeah, tasty. Sedap.
Can you guess how much is this?
In Bali or in Java?
In Bali.
What? 2,000? 2,000 satu stick?
5,000.
2.500.
2,000.
1,000.
Aye.
Okay, for the last, how will you rate this from 1 to 10?
1 to 10, I'll probably give that a good 7.
7.
Yeah, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that.
7.5.
7.5. Okay.
It's really good. It's a 7. Definitely a 7. 7 is my favorite.
7 as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Where can we find this in Bali?
Gojek application?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in Barawa, does it have?
No, in Brawa. But in Denpasar, just order by GoFood,
Yeah.
Gojek or GrabFood,
Yeah.
you can get it.
So they do in other flavors in beef as well.
Yes.
Beef, sorry.
Yes,
not pork.
many kind of meat. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Try this.
Thank you.
I forgot your name. James.
Bruce.
John.
Yep.
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Rakesh.
Rakas. Thank you very much for trying Indonesian food.
Thank you.
Okay. Sampai. Hello, what's your name?
Peter, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you very much.
This is my son Sol.
Oh, hi. Hello. What's your name?
Sol.
So,
Yeah.
how long have you been staying here in Bali?
I live in Jakarta for 3 years,
Mm.
and he lives in Ubud.
You live in Ubud.
Yeah.
So, you still are in high school?
Yeah.
Where?
Homeschool.
I sure you never tried this before.
Never tried it before.
Okay, so
Yeah, I haven't
no?
tried.
We call this sample. Can you
Okay.
say that?
Sample.
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 Sample ayam. Okay,
Yeah.
chicken. Yeah, actually this is from East Java, Malang City.
Okay.
You know Malang?
I have not been, no.
Okay, one of big city in East Java.
Okay.
Okay, so please try.
Alright. Let's do this.
That's good. You like spicy?
Yeah, that's
It's
not too
spicy,
spicy.
Not too spicy
Not
for
too
you.
spicy. No, it's not spicy.
Nice sauce.
It's sweet. It's not too spicy.
You become Indonesian now because you like spicy, yeah?
Very chewy.
Yeah. You like this?
Yeah.
How will you rate this from 1 to 10?
I'm not a food expert, but I would say I would eat this. I'd give it like a 7.
7. Okay, thank you very much. And how about you?
Yeah, I think I'd say 7.5.
7.5. Okay, higher than your dad. Frida and Song, thank you very much for trying Indonesian food.
Cheers.
Okay, this is last. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, what's your name?
Sabrina.
Sabrina, you're so beautiful. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
From Germany. And you?
Alfredo,
Alfredo. And you're from?
Venezuela.
From Venezuela. Okay, so you are Mr. Universe.
Yeah.
You know Venezuela, yeah? Miss Universe, so famous.
Yeah.
I'm David, YouTuber from Bali, and I make content to introducing Indonesian food. You know this before?
No, this one.
No?
No.
Have you tried it?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, this is from chicken. We call this sample ayam.
Sample ayam.
Sample ayam.
Sample ayam, yeah.
Sample ayam. Come on, please try. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
This is one of popular street food in Indonesia, and from East Java. You like
Yeah,
this?
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Have you been to East Java?
No.
No.
Not yet.
Yeah. Maybe someday you can go to because yeah, the same beautiful as Bali.
Yes. Sounds
Yeah.
very good.
Man, this is very good.
Yes, thank you. So, how you rate this sample from 1 to 10?
Oh, it's the first one I had, so I don't know.
I would
more
say it's really
chicken.
good. So I don't know. If 10 is really good, I would
Oh.
say like 8 or 9 or
8 or 9?
yeah. I don't like to give 10. Yeah.
Okay, will be sound effect, clap hand. And how about you?
I'm a lot more into vegetables, but I still like this, so it's good. It's good.
And-
All right, let's say 8.
8. Thank you. Okay, Sabrina and Alfredo, thank you very much to try Indonesian food. I hope you enjoy here. Sama-sama. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, what's your name?
Lewe.
And you?
Lilu.
Lilu. And?
Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Yes.
Where you from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. I know one of soap opera, Maria Mercedes. You know that?
Yeah, there's
Maria
plenty.
Mercedes. Yeah.
I know. Yeah.
So finally, my dream is meet with Venezuela people, and now my dream is come true. Nice to meet you. What is your Indonesian favorite food?
Beef rendang.
Beef rendang
Yeah.
from Sumatra.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite
And
too.
chicken
And you?
satay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Chicken
Yeah.
satay.
Chicken
Perca
satay.
del jagung.
Perkedel jagung. And you?
Pasta.
Pasta. You like?
Indonesian.
And I want to introducing this. We call this sampel ayam.
Sambal ayam.
Yes, ayam is
Chicken.
chicken.
Sample.
Yes.
Sample.
Sampel. Yes.
It's nice.
Yes.
It's like chicken mixed with
Yes, with tapioca flour.
with flour.
Yes, with
Ah, okay.
flour.
It's
Okay.
nice. Thank you.
Yes, you want to try? Come on, a little.
No es duro, Lilu, prueba un poquito.
I.
She has one tooth that is moving and it's painful. Pruébalo
And
tú.
you?
Es pollito, como chicken satay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. How old are you?
6.
6. And you?
4.
4. Give me 5. High five. High five. Okay, so how will you rate this street food from 1 to 10?
7.
7. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And can you guess how much is this?
How much?
How much?
1?
Rupiahs, yeah. 1.
5,000?
5,000 is too expensive. Just only 1,000. So that's favorite for student.
Yeah.
Okay, and actually this food is from East Java. Have you been there?
No, not yet.
No. Okay,
No.
maybe someday you go to East
Yeah,
Java.
yeah,
But
yeah.
before to East Java, eat this.
I know already now.
Yeah, okay. It's from Malang City. So I forget your name.
No way.
No way and Lilu and
Mercedes.
Maria Mercedes. Thank you very much for trying this.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
for
you.
sharing.
Bye-bye. Hello, what's your name?
Mike, you can call me Mike. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
And hello.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah.
You
Also from Canada.
Also from Canada. Have you been try Indonesian food while you here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The normal things like nasi goreng, mie goreng.
goreng.
I like tepat chantok.
Tepat chantok is
Yeah.
one of favorite thing in Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite food? Maybe tepat is pretty good. I really like, what is the peanut? Gado-gado.
Gado-gado, yeah.
Yeah.
Me too. I like gado-gado so much.
Yeah.
We talk about this. We call this sampel ayam.
Sampel ayam.
Sample
You know,
ayam.
ayam is chicken.
Yeah.
And sampel. Sampel is traditional food from Malang, East Java.
But what's the difference between sambal and sampal?
Sambal. No. It's different.
Just different.
Sambal, a
Chili.
spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this sample.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come on. You
We
can
try?
try it.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you like spicy?
I like spice.
I
Yes.
know.
She does.
Okay, you can try. Oh, this is street food. Yeah, popular street food in Indonesia.
They're really good.
Cool. Too good. You make this?
No. I buy.
You bought it?
Yeah, buy in street vendor.
Well, what is it?
It's tapioca flour and chicken.
Mix.
Wow.
Mix, yeah.
The sauce is really good too.
Yeah.
Too good. You know, we've never had bakso.
Baso, yeah.
Is similar? Taste?
Different.
Different? Is this your favorite?
When I was child, this is my favorite thing because usually the street vendor selling this sample in front of my school.
Okay.
So when the break,
Yeah.
we go to buy this.
This is very good.
Yeah, we don't have stuff like this in Canada. We just have hot dogs.
Yeah,
That's it.
maybe, yeah.
What is a hot dog? Pogo stick? Or what is it called? Like a breaded hot dog.
Have you heard
Yeah.
Pig in a blanket? Have you heard of that?
Yeah, I know that. Can you guess how much for one
much?
this? Yeah. Can you guess?
Price?
Yeah, price.
5,000.
5,000 rupiah.
Yeah. Maybe
I would guess the same.
10,000.
10,000. No. This is just only 1,000 rupiah. Yeah.
Wow.
You can have. You would get full from maybe 5, right?
Yes.
How do you make? Do you know how?
You can see the making process of this in my video later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
cool.
next week I will upload this.
Okay.
Okay.
But you already went and watched the vendor make it.
Yes. I already shoot how the vendor
I'll try
make
to
it.
I'll try to make it.
You have that one.
This one?
Wow. So
Can we eat it all?
yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
it's okay.
Wow.
So you go people up and down the beach?
Yes.
Every week?
I upload 2 or 3 times in a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So don't forget to subscribe my channel also.
Yeah.
For
All right.
sure, for sure.
Do you speak Indonesian and both
Yeah, I speak Indonesia and English.
with subtitle?
Yeah, with
Okay.
subtitle. Okay, so how you rate this from 1 to 10? I need your opinion.
I'm not picky.
Street food? Yeah, we're not picky. Like, honestly, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Sampal Malang is good.
Maybe you can speak in bahasa Indonesia. Sampal Malang enak sekali.
Sampal Malang Alak Sanghi.
Enak sekali. Enak sekali is
Enak Sali.
enak sekali.
Enak Sekali.
Yes, one more.
Oh, I forget the name of this.
Sampal Malang enak sekali.
Sampal Malang Anak Sakali.
Sampal Malang Enak Sali.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
David.
Real name.
David
Indonesian
Allen.
name.
My real name.
David.
Yes, David Allen.
Okay.
David
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Nice
This
to
is
meet
very
you.
good.
Yes.
Well, they have this. We live in Ubud. They have this in Ubud.
You can search in GoFood, Gojek.
Yeah.
You can order
Sampal Malang.
Sampal Malang. I will DM you after this, yeah?
Yeah.
Misha and Mike, thank
Yeah.
you very much to try Indonesian food. I
Yeah.
hope you enjoy here.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
2 hours later.
Dan itu dia tadi perjalanan kita sore hari ini, di mana saya udah keliling Pantai Brawa untuk memperkenalkan sampel ayam. Pernah makan ini nggak sebelumnya?
Nggak pernah.
Nggak pernah?
Iya.
Pernah makan ini, Pak?
Belum pernah.
Belum pernah. Bapak dari mana soalnya?
Kalau saya dari Lombok asli.
Dari Lombok aslinya. Kalau Masnya dari?
Sama Lombok.
Oh, dari Lombok. Oke, ini sebenarnya original dari Jawa Timur.
Oh, iya.
Dari Kota Malang. Yuk kita makan sama-sama yuk.
Yuk.
Kira-kira enak nggak?
Gurihnya bukan main.
Gurih, enak lagi.
Enak sekali. Semua bumbunya ini terasa semua. Ayamnya.
Sebenarnya bumbunya ada lagi, cuman nggak apa-apa. Ini enak, keringan juga enak.
Tapi enak sekali nih, ringan.
Bumbu
rasanya
pedas ada ini.
gurih.
Bumbu pedas.
Ada bumbu pedas nanti saya kasih ya. Oke, jadi teman-teman di sini juga udah nyobain. Gimana sih enak ya?
Enak.
Dari 1 sampai 10 nilainya berapa?
Coba
9.
Ini kerupuk dari Malang. Enak. Makan.
Makan.
Enak banget.
Aduh.
Lezat.
Ya udah kalau gitu kita ketemu lagi di lain kesempatan. Dari David, ya Gibi, kita yakin kita bisa. Bye-bye. Bye.
Teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton David Allen TV. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe ya, dan tekan tanda lonceng untuk mendapatkan update video-video saya yang terbaru selanjutnya. Berikan tanda like apabila suka dengan video ini, tinggalkan komen, dan kamu bisa share video ini ke teman-teman kamu ya. Sampai jumpa di video-video selanjutnya. Kia Kibi, kita yakin kita bisa. Bye-bye.